Hello student, welcome to next practical of programming in C. Today we see practical number 6. In that practical we see two programs: find the greatest of three number using conditional operator and find if a given character is oval. So in this video we see the first, and in next video we see the second program. Okay. The practical significance is student will be able to write a program using conditional operator to solve the given problem. Okay, so we already see the conditional operator in theory also. Then the relevant program outcomes are basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiment and practice, engineering tools, ethics, individual and teamwork, communication and lifelong learning. Okay, so all of you know what is algorithm, flowchart, how we can write C program, debug the program and execute the C program. Okay, so let's see. First we see what is conditional operator. Okay, what is the syntax of conditional operator? Okay, here the general syntax is variable, then in bracket we write the condition, then if the condition is true then variable value is equal to this value after question mark. Okay, if the condition is false then the value of the variable is false value. Okay, after colon. Here I give one example. Here a is the integer type variable. A is equal to x is greater than y if this condition is true. Okay, x का कुछ value रहेगा, y का कुछ value रहेगा. If this condition is true then a is equal to 1. Okay, and if the condition is false then a is equal to 0. So it is similar like to if else statement. कंडीशन के ऊपर डिपेंड है a का वैल्यू क्या रहेगा. ओके, सो इन दिस प्रोग्राम वी सी द हाउ वी कैन यूज कंडीशनल ऑपरेटर to find the largest number between three numbers. Okay, so first two are the header files. All of you know what is use of header files. Okay, then next is void main function. Then we define three integer variable a, b, c and big. Okay, then we use the clr scr function to clear the output screen. Next we use printf function to print the message enter three numbers. After this statement user enter three values. Okay, and that values are stored by scanf function %d %d %d. Three times. Why we write the %d? Because we enter the three values, and where I save and a and b and c. First value store in a, second store in b and third value store in c. Then here we use the conditional operator. Okay, so big is equal to first condition is a is greater than b. If this condition is true then it check again second condition, a is greater than c. If the both condition are true, the big value of big is equal to a. Okay, first true hai, then it execute this part. Okay, if this condition is true. If this condition is false then it execute this part. Okay, so if the first condition is true and second condition is false then value is c, and if the first condition is true then value of if the first condition is false then it execute this part. Okay, b is greater than c and question mark b colon c. Okay, then at last we use printf function to print the output on screen. The biggest number is %d. Here again we use the %d format specifier. Why? Because big is the integer type variable. Okay, at last we use the getch function. Okay, so type this program in Turbo C. I already typed this program. Okay, then compile the program. Alt F9 to compile, and to run the program Control F9. Okay, then enter three numbers 23, 10, then 45. Okay, so the biggest number is 45. Okay, so this is simple program to find the largest number between three numbers using conditional operator. Okay, so second program we see in the next video. Thank you.